Let's get it, man. It's Hinder, man. I'm like, man. What? 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 Bitch, you got me tired. Got me tired like I'm living in the sky. I feel like MJ. I think I could fly. Got me geared up cause I'm on the grind. I'm on the grind, got my feet on the line. Reaching to shine and I'm squeezing for mines. I got that heat that'll leave you behind. Don't think it's fine, put that 9 to your spine. I may be kind, but little nigga, I ain't blind. We got the max up, we up and shit. We got jumps and clips, it'll fucking quick. I ain't ducking shit. We got glass of shots filled wrong with niggas, I be ducking shit. Got the red beam, I turn your block to a fair scene. I'm getting guap dead in your dreams. I don't know what's coming, but I keep that thing. They hope I drop, but I see the green. I'm getting knots, I want hella things. You a fucking nigga cause you get exposed, so you ain't know what that nigga sold. Only Lord knows what that nigga told. When I catch that nigga, I'ma take it so. That's on my soul, all my niggas know. I don't tell I show. I catch that I better get low. Put it to your soul, cause you had to go, fuck nigga.